Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import your photos in the exact sequence you want them to appear. Once imported, select all and set a base duration to 0 to 3. 5 seconds works for most edits, then fine-tune key images. Make sure to pick the aspect ratio, 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical, because this defines framing. Locking it early prevents rework. Now, organize clips into the timeline and trim obvious dead space before adding effects. You now refine motion and timing to make the photo-video feel alive. Add keyframes to scale and position. Use small changes such as 1.05 to 1.15 so motion looks natural. Ease in slash out for smoothness. Once done, place quick transitions of 0.2 to 0.5 seconds between photos to create rhythm and adjust them to the music waveform if you have a song. Also layer ambient audio beneath the main track and nudge cuts to align with strong beats for You finish by checking sync, color, and resolution before export. Choose output, 1080p or 4K depending on destination, and set frame rate to 24 or 30 frames per second. Use H. 264 for broad compatibility. Once done, preview the full video and correct any misaligned cuts or abrupt transitions. If things go wrong, make sure to render with a constant frame rate and reduce heavy overlays that cause stutter. Re-export after that repair, and your final file should play smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.